We have a wintry mix setting up this morning. There's light snow or freezing drizzle possible, mainly in north central and northern Indiana. Along I-70 and south, it's just regular rain. And this is through the next couple hours. By the time we're getting into the midday hours, this system will be pulling out of our area. Low pressure system just entering Illinois. Central Indiana is more in the warm sector of this storm system, and that's why the steadier snow is off to our north. And I also want to quickly point out the stalled front in Florida. If you are a Colts fan and watching that Colts game for today in Jacksonville, it's looking pretty sloppy with steady showers along that front. Zooming in on Storm Tracker along I-70, the pink shading trying to indicate mixed precipitation in the form of freezing rain or freezing drizzle. In that case, it's rain falling and then freezing on contact. And that's why our temperatures are pretty big for this morning. Most are actually waking up above freezing and avoiding that. But we do have light snow reports in Kokomo and northern parts of Tipton County. That also extends into northern parts of Madison County. Live look at our Speedway camera, 33 degrees above freezing. Winds out of the south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wind chill value of 28. Now, Futurecast for today really keeps most of the precipitation to the north. Northern Indiana expected to get a couple inches for today. Still wouldn't rule out maybe a light dusting in and around Kokomo, Muncie, northward, but that chance is pretty low here, and our temperatures then creep above freezing as we're going into the early afternoon hours. But something I want to point out, as our low-pressure system pulls off to the east, we'll start to wrap in slightly cooler air for the evening. Note our temperatures here that start to drop as you're getting right around sunset. So backside snow flurries, I wouldn't completely rule it out for today, although that is even an isolated chance. And then the other thing to mention for tonight, more organized snow showers expected to develop in southern Indiana. And this could impact areas like Columbus and Greensburg. It'll be a close call for both of these communities, but definitely areas further off to the south. So in terms of snowfall totals, nothing basically for central Indiana here. Maybe a couple tenths in Lafayette and Kokomo, but that's a low-end chance. Tonight, it's probably the better chance at seeing accumulating snow in southeastern Indiana. That could extend into parts of Bartholomew County, but you're right on the fringe there. Today, temperatures in the mid-30s. Expect the clouds to remain in place. 38 for the high, 33 in Kokomo. Precipitation chances high so for the next couple hours and then dropping through the afternoon. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, temperatures near 30. We're still stuck in this pattern where we're keeping an eye on western Canada. You get these clipper systems to come in here. Does appear for Tuesday night into Wednesday. That's the next one. We're on the warmer side of that one. There's more questions with the one behind it on whether snow showers get to Indiana or remain off to our west. So we'll be watching the chance of snow later on in the week. But the confidence is growing for much colder air as we're going into next weekend. Hope Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling 7-day forecast. Breezy with that storm system going by Tuesday night into Wednesday. Looking ahead towards the end of the week, smaller chances of snow Thursday and Friday, and much colder to start off next weekend. Next weekend, we could be waking up to low temperatures in the single digits.